Hi guys, this is Mrs. Vergara. Welcome back. These are notes number 3, angle and angle measures. Our learning target is I can draw an angle in standard position. For this lesson, you're going to need a protractor. As part of your packet, I attached this page. You can cut out one of the protractors to have something like this. If you don't have a packet, you might have a protractor at home, so you can use that, or you can go to the dollar store and buy one, maybe. You're also going to need a ruler or a straight edge. If you don't have a ruler, you can use anything that is straight, okay? So, first thing that we want to do is understand the coordinate plane. So here is the coordinate plane. Let's label its parts. This horizontal line is the x-axis. The vertical line is the y-axis. The point where the two meet is called the origin. This side of the x-axis, the right side of the x-axis, is the positive side. The left side of the x-axis is the negative side. Now, when we look at the y-axis, the side that is above the x-axis is the positive side. And the side that is below the x-axis is the negative side. Okay. You're also going to notice how when these two axes intersect, they create right angles. So this right here is a right angle. Therefore, this angle measures 90 degrees, okay? So here at the x-axis, we're starting at 0 degrees. And if we do this rotation, this partial rotation, we end up at 90 degrees. We can also use our protractor to check, okay? So here is the protractor. We are starting at 0 degrees. And when we do go up 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degrees, this is where we end up, okay? So we're going from 0 to 90, and then if we keep going all the way to the negative side of x, we're gonna end up at 180 degrees, because each time we're increasing by 90. So 90 plus 90 is 180. And then if we keep going to the negative side of the y-axis, that means that we're rotating 90 degrees more. So 180 plus 90 is 270 degrees. And then if we keep going 90 degrees more, 270 plus 90 is 360 degrees. Okay, so when we do a 360 degree rotation, we end up where we started, okay? And here I can show you, starting at 0, 90, 180, and then 90 more for the third time, and then 90 more for the fourth time. We have done a 360 rotation, and we have ended up right where we started. All right, so that's the coordinate plane. Very important that we understand the coordinate plane and the angles that those two axes create. All right, now we can go back to the learning target. I can draw an angle in standard position. An angle on the coordinate plane is in standard position if the vertex is at the origin of, let me grab my highlighter. If the vertex is at the origin, so here's the vertex of the angle. We want it at the origin, so right here. At the origin. And one ray is on the positive x-axis. So one of the rays is going to be on the positive x-axis. So this is the positive side of the x-axis, okay? The ray on the x-axis is called the initial side of the angle. So this right here is the initial side. Okay. The ray that rotates about the center is called the terminal side. Okay, so we are starting at the initial side and we're going to rotate counterclockwise. And let's say I stop here. Where I stop, that becomes our terminal side. Okay, this would be our terminal side.